Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to PPF a Tesla Model Y front bumper. First, gather your essential tools, including the PPF film, a spray bottle, and a squeegee. Next, meticulously clean the bumper surface to remove any dirt or debris, ensuring optimal adhesion. Then, prepare your slip solution by mixing water with a small amount of baby shampoo in your spray bottle. This solution is crucial for easy film positioning. Now, generously spray both the bumper and the adhesive side of the PPF film with your slip solution. Carefully lay the film onto the bumper, taking your time to align all edges and contours precisely. Once positioned, use your squeegee to gently push out the water and any trapped air bubbles, working from the center outwards. Overlap your squeegee strokes by about 1/3 for best results. After squeegeeing, carefully trim any excess film using a very sharp blade, ensuring a clean and precise edge. Gently wrap the film around the bumper edges where possible, creating a seamless and secure fit that will protect against peeling. Finally, allow the newly applied PPF to cure completely for 24 to 48 hours before washing your vehicle. This ensures maximum adhesion. To maintain your PPF, regularly wash it with mild soap and water, avoiding harsh chemicals or abrasive cleaners that could damage the film. Also, refrain from using high-pressure washes directly on the film's edges to prevent lifting. For more great deals, including the Echo Dot smart speaker, check the description below for links and other fantastic offers. Proper care ensures your bumper stays protected for years to come.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.